Welcome to another installment of Mr. Chiba's Math at Night. Tonight we'll be looking at the order of operations. A commonly used mnemonic device to remember the order is "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Each of the beginning letters stands for a different operation. P stands for all the parentheses that you will operate. E stands for all the exponents that you will operate. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Don't forget that multiplication and division are done at the same time, in order from left to right. The same story is true with addition and subtraction. Those two operations are done at the same time, in orders from left to right. Now, let's take a look at an example. Here we have a problem. 1 added to the sum of 3 and 5 divided by 2 raised to the power of the difference of 9 and 6. Here's where I ask you to be very organized. On each new line, I want you to write the letter of the mnemonic device of the order of operations. PEMDAS. P, don't forget that stands for parentheses. E for exponents. M for multiplication. D for division. A for addition. S for subtraction. I want you to use a highlighter and highlight all the things that are within parentheses. Here we have the sum of 3 and 5, and here we have the the difference of 9 and 6. These two operations we'll be doing first. The sum of 5 and 3 is 8, and the difference between 9 and 6 is 3. Once we have completed those first operations, let's go ahead and rewrite the rest of the equation. We have our initial value of 1, which was added to the sum which we calculated. This is divided by 2, raised to the difference that we calculated. Our next operation will be exponents. I want you to highlight all the exponents that you see. Here we have the value 3, which is raising the number 2. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. We don't have any other exponents, so let's go ahead and rewrite the rest of the equation. Our initial value 1 added to 8 divided by what we have just calculated, 8. Our next operation will be multiplication and division at the same time. We don't have any multiplication this time, but we do have division. When calculating division, we want to take into account the values in front and behind of the division operation sign. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Since we don't have any more multiplication or division operations, let's go ahead and rewrite the rest of the equation. 1 plus, and the division that we have calculated. Our last operation that we want to worry about is addition and subtraction. We have only addition, we don't have to worry about subtraction, and so let's go ahead and take care of this. The sum of 1 and 1 is 2. Looking through PEMDAS and our order of operations one last time, did we do all of our parentheses? Yes. Did we do all of our exponents? Yes. Did we do all of our multiplication and divisions? Yes. Did we also finish all of our addition and subtraction? Yes, we have, because our end result is one value, 2. Thank you, and have a good night.